Welcome back to the channel. It's Chad here with Sinus RC, and today I have the MJX 16210, and I love this car on 3S. This thing is super fast, and I'm not going to show you the actual speed runs, but I'll show you the speeds I picked up with various tires I put on it. But stock tires are the way to go.
Wish I could video these runs, but man, it's really hard to do, and I got a little bit of traffic out on here in the street. But my first pass on 3S full run, 37.8 miles an hour. I'm gonna try one more pass, but I do have a little bit of traffic, but a nice flat run. Let's see what happens. Okay, first run on these tires. I got 39 flat. It's holding the road pretty good. It's not pushing too many wheelies. They don't balloon too bad. Yeah, 3S. 100%. Not bad. And that was in 303 feet. 2 quick, just long runs. Okay, this thing's stock tires. 3S battery. 41.3 miles an hour. Fast as I can get it. I mean, it is cooking too. These tires just get swole though, but it does go faster with stock tires. So we're probably gonna look into the same type of size tire, more street. I'm gonna see if I can get one even faster. Let's take a peek.
When I first got it, I blew up this rear gear right here, and the seller on eBay was kind enough to refund me enough money back to replace this gear with a steel gear. So if you pick up one of these guys, you've got to get that gear right there. It jumps pretty good. The speed runs are pretty great. It does like the ride on the back wheels pretty good on these tires when they balloon out, but if you start out slow and just work into that speed to get full triggered, it doesn't pop up so bad, and then it goes in a straight line pretty good. I had to adjust these a few times, but this is a good car. I have put a lot of work into this, and check this out. Okay, so I got my gear in the mail and some aluminum shock towers. These guys are gonna look pretty sweet on this. Figure seeing how I'm gonna take this thing apart. Might as well get into it and start upgrading it. This steel gear upgrade is gonna be nice because this gear is shot. I have had this apart just to get some pictures of this gear down here. And I showed them to the seller on eBay, and the seller was really kind of worried about the action, so he purchased this for me. Well, refunded me the money so I can repurchase this and keep it. And he's a pretty great guy. I highly recommend him on eBay. I'll post his link right here. And so all my screws are loose, so I'm just going to take this thing down, get this gear in it, and get these guys on it, and take it out and jump it and get a speed test on it. I have some 3S batteries I want to run in it. These guys. So we'll try it out. I bought it with the 2S system, and this thing screams on 2S, so it's pretty cool. But let's get this apart and get it out bashing. Okay, I got it down. You know, it's kind of a process to get these things all the way apart. Yeah, I can see plain as day that rear gear is just shot. So this thing just lifts out of here. You can just leave the drive shaft in it. And voila. There it is. Okay, that is the first time I've ever taken driveline like that out. Nothing is screwed together, just kind of slips in, but it looks like everything's meshing up really good right here. So I'm gonna get back together real quick and we'll get these shock towers turned on. The thing is, when you take this apart, you do have to take this front shock tower out because it's covering up these two screws right here to go up in front. Okay, let's get this together. wasn't too hard. I mean, these things, there's a lot coming off of them before you can even get to the gears in these things. And I clearly marked all these guys. Channel 2. This is a light. Or a fan. This is light. And servo here. She's ready. Tighten that preloads back here a little bit more. I did grease the disc when I first took this apart to look at this gear to see what was wrong with this thing, and it 5 teeth out of 10 are missing. Pretty bad. This stuff's really soft. So if you do get an MJX, man, I would definitely get the steel upgrade on the Spur gear, because I was on my 3rd run, 4th battery when this thing popped, trying to do some speed runs with it to capture its speed on the GPS. Get this top back on it. Let's get outside and jump it and get a speed test on it. So with all, all the things I have put into this, I really don't mind. It is kind of part of the hobby, but I love it. I love working on these things, and this is probably my favorite RC at the moment. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If not, I hope you got a good laugh out of this video, but I would definitely go pick one of these guys up.